16 divided by 4?
4.
Yes, correct. 16 divided by 4, because 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. Okay. Let me give you another one. All right, go. You can have some. Let's go. Well, here, I'll make this one a little bit easy until we understand where you're at. 10 divided by 2. What's 10 divided by 2? What's 10 divided by 2?
5.
It is 5. Very good. Can you write a 5? Nice work. Okay, now what if I say, let me give you another one. I'm going to make this one really hard. What if I said, I don't know, 40 divided by 10 equals?
It's 4.
It is 4.
Hi
everyone, I'm Rebecca. Here's Nathaniel. We're back today to tell you about division. That's what we just mastered. So I'm really proud of Nathaniel for his efforts in learning division with me. Actually, it was more like he taught me, but that's okay. So what you're going to see in this video is the very first time. Yeah, you do decimal, is correct. So, like I said, when we discovered that he knew how to do division, when I discovered it, we weren't even doing that in our lesson plan. We were doing something completely different. And so it was shocking. He turns to me and he says, "Hey, Mom, let's do division." I was like, "You want to do division? Okay." So, you know, I like to test his knowledge before we dive into anything. So I asked him a few questions and he knew them all. It was really random and bizarre, but he knew them all. At 3 years old, he knew how to do division, short division, right? But it expanded into him doing long division now, because he keeps asking me, "Mom, you know, if the question was 4 divided by 1, right, equals 4. He wanted to say 1 divided by 4. And I was like, "No, we can't do it that way. It will end up in a decimal." And he's like, "Decimal? Show me." So that's how we ended up, you know, venturing into long division already. So at 3 years old, he's doing long division, and it's incredible, and you'll watch and see. And like I said, we don't work longer than 10 minutes a day, if that. Usually we do one problem, you know, in the morning and then one more in the afternoon, if that. But it's really incredible, and I believe that anyone can teach their children the same way I have. But it really comes with a strong understanding of addition and subtraction first. So we're going to get to those videos, just not yet. I'm still sorting through them, but in the meantime, please enjoy our video. Okay, have a good day. Bye. Oh, and happy spring. Bye. Whoa, love you. Love Dove. Okay, bye. Let's do this one. Ready? Let's do 10 divided by 2. What's 10 divided by 2?
5.
It is 5. Very good. Okay, let's do another one. What if I said 12 divided by 2?
6.
It is. Very good. What if I said 12 divided by 4?
3.
It is 3. Very good. What if I said 12 divided by 6?
2.
It is 2. Very good. Okay. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, what if I said 9 divided by 3? What if I said? It is 3. I said, bless you, 50 divided by 10?
5.
It is. What if I said 100 divided by 10?
10.
It is 10. Very good. What if I said, let's do another. What if I said 20 divided by 10? What if I said 20?
2.
It is 2. Very good. I know. What if I said 30 divided by 5?
Do 5. No. 5 and 30.
5 times 5 is 25.
6.
6. Very good. Another thing, when doing division with your toddler, I do not recommend doing it for a very long time. Show them one problem in the morning and then maybe another one in the afternoon, but there's no need to sit there to go on and on and on and show them multiple problems. It's too confusing, it's overwhelming, they get bored, they're not going to retain anything. So what I learned is that Nathaniel learns more, he learns more if we do it in a short amount of time. And so it's funny because even his piano teacher says the same thing. He's like, you know, it's easier for him to go in these short bursts with him and he retains that knowledge so quickly versus like trying to drag it out for 30 minutes of doing the same thing. Every lesson that we're doing ties into something else that I want him to know and master before he starts school, or, you know, whatever schooling is going to look like for him. But the reason why I went into long division even with him was because we just finished our shape series. And so I wanted to ensure that he knew all of his shapes and he knew the difference of all of the shapes and the different properties and like vertices and, you know, 3-dimensional, 2-dimensional. Division's a great place to learn and to finish with, to go into, you know, really advanced math, so that, you know, solid foundation of math and skills. So when we go to write it, can you show me on the back what this looks like? This was the perfect time to introduce that a fraction is essentially division. So what you're watching here is Nathaniel's first attempt of doing a division problem on his own in written form. Up to this point, he would just give me all these bizarre random numbers to divide, and he'd watch me solve them. So if they ended up as a fraction or as a remainder problem, he loved and got excited by that. But today he took the initiative and did it all by himself. So this is his first attempt going through the steps all by himself without me. So now we put it, because we know there's 5 4s in 20. And what does that equal? 20, right?
20.
Yep, 20. 20 minus 20 is? So we solved our problem. So what's our answer?
0.25.
0.25. Very good. 0.25. No, go ahead. Make your division symbol now. Good. Not so long, okay?
2, 4.
So how many 5s are in 24?
5, 10, 15, 20. 5,
5?
10, 15, 20.
Correct. So how many tallies is that?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Correct. So put your 4 above it. Has to go above the 4 when you write it, okay? But that's okay. 4, 4, 5. So what does that equal?
4 remainder.
No, you gotta do this first. No, you can't skip a step. Can't skip that step yet, okay?
Subtract.
Minus,
4.
20. So now do it. Go ahead, do it. 24 minus 20 equals, it doesn't need to be that long. Correct. 4. Put the 4. So it's 4.
Remainder.
Make your R. Good.
4.
4 remainder 4. Look at that. Say the problem.
1 divided by 2.
1 divided by 2. Okay, how do we solve it?
I know what equals 0.5.
Okay, but no, you got to show how we get there. Typical of my kid, he wants to do all these simple decimal problems in his head now, which is not going to work out. And maybe once he gets older, he can do that. But for now, I'm forcing him to show all of his work just to make sure he still understands the steps. Ask you to write 1 divided by 5. What does that look like? Can you show me right at the top? At the top here.
1
divided by 5 equals. Now can you write it in the other way that we do division? What's that one look like?
5. Put that sign. 5 cannot go into 1.
No.
Put that 0 and that decimal.
That decimal. And then now what do we do? Now what do we do?
Put that %.
That imaginary 0. Good. Now it's a problem. Okay, so what are we looking for now?
How many 10s about?
How many 5s are in 10 and how many are there?
5.
How many 5s are in 10? 2. So where does that 2 go? Where does the 2 go? Very good.
Then subtract
What are you subtracting?
10.
Very good. Because 5 times 2 is 10. And what does that equal?
0.
And so what's our answer?
0.2.
Can you show me something? If I show you something right now, if I draw this. Okay, wait, watch this.
What's that, Mom?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 parts here. Can you show me what 1/5 looks like? Ooh, lovely. Can you write it as a fraction now? Can you show me how you write 1 fraction? Nice work, Lovda! Very good! Super proud of you.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and now what I say next.
That's it.
How